To check RAM on your iPhone, you need to first go to your App Store and search for device monitor, and then you need to install this app. So let me install it. It will take some time, so let's wait. Now as you can see, it's installed. Let's open it. So it says start using device monitor square. So yeah, let's start using it. Now this interface will pop up. So it says broke it. Let's cancel it for now. So this interface will pop up. In order to check your RAM, you need to swipe down. So now as you can see, this is my RAM percentage. Right now 91% of my RAM is being used. So this is the total RAM, 5.53 GB, and 1.86 GB is being used, 1.73 GB inactive, and this is the white RAM and this is the compressed RAM. So if you check this call detail chart, this is the chart of my RAM with different colors, and there will be a option called clear RAM memory. So if you tap here, your RAM will be cleared. So let's do it. As you can see, my RAM is now cleared. So it's been now it's 79%. So yeah, that's how you check your RAM on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.